Hello fellow home cooks, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cook soy ginger steamed fish using microwave oven. For this recipe, you only need one whole white fish, but I am using 2 pieces because my fish is not big enough for us. You will also need soy sauce, fish sauce, coriander, water, julienne ginger, cooking oil, sesame oil, calamansi or lime juice, coconut sugar, chili padi, and spring onion. For the sauce, you need to mix soy sauce, fish sauce, lime juice, water, coconut sugar, and sesame oil. After mixing, set aside for later. After cleaning the fish, microwave each side for 2 minutes. Top it with the vegetables, starting with the sliced ginger. Then follow with the spring onions, the coriander, and lastly, the red chili padi. Next, heat the oil. You can heat it in microwave or in any pan. Pour the hot oil over the 2 fishes or 1 fish if you're using one. After the hot oil, you can now use the soy sauce mixture to pour over the fish or fishes and make sure that you cover all the parts and fill the whole thing with the sauce. Alright, that's basically it. You just need to get a platter and start plating your fish.